Hi friends, let's meet 10 amazing snakes and learn cool facts about them.
This is the black mamba. It's highly venomous and very fast. It eats small mammals and birds. This is the copperhead. It's highly venomous and known for its red-brown bands. It eats frogs and small mammals. This is the corn snake. It's non-venomous, known for its bright red-orange color. It eats mice and small animals. This is the tiger snake. It's venomous with black and yellow stripes. It eats frogs and small mammals. This is the bamboo snake. It's mildly venomous and hides in green plants. It eats birds, lizards, and frogs.
This is the indigo snake. It's non-venomous, shiny dark blue in color, and lives in forests. It eats small animals and lizards.
This is the common sand boa. It's non-venomous and known for its double-headed body shape. It eats mice and small insects. This is the anaconda. It's non-venomous but has strong teeth and catches fish and small animals. This is the green tree python. It's non-venomous and rests curled on tree branches. It eats small birds and lizards. This is the boa constrictor. It's non-venomous and catches prey with its strong body. It eats small mammals and birds.
Show some love. Like, share, and subscribe.